Hello everyone. Today let's look at another useful feature in Bubble, option set. Option sets in Bubble are an efficient way to manage a predefined list of static choices or options for your app. Option sets are best suited for situations where you need a fixed list of choices that don't change frequently and don't require complex relationships or privacy rules. Here are some of the best uses of option sets in Bubble. Enumerations. Use option sets to represent a finite list of values or constants such as days of the week, months, or order statuses, example, pending, shipped, delivered. Option sets can efficiently manage predefined categories for items in your app, such as product types, blog post categories, or event types. If you have drop down menus or selection inputs with static choices, option sets can help streamline your app's performance by reducing database queries and interactions. You can also use it for user roles. That is, if your app uses a limited number of user roles, example admin, member, guest, option sets can help simplify role management and make it easier to assign roles and set permissions. Ratings and scales. If your app includes rating systems or scales, example 1 to 5 stars, low, medium, high, option sets can easily handle these predefined values. While option sets in Bubble offer several advantages, it's essential to be aware of an important warning: no privacy rules. Option sets don't have privacy rules like custom data types. This means you can't control access or visibility for specific options based on a user roles or other conditions. Ensure that the information stored in option sets is not sensitive and subject to privacy constraints. Today, let's look at how we can use option sets for displaying logo with options for dark theme and light theme. This techniques allows you to efficiently switch between logo themes throughout your app. Let's get started. So I'll go to data and to option sets. We already have access levels added here, admin, user and owner. Now let's add logo, and we will have a light theme and a dark theme. We can also create new attributes within the option sets that we have added. Okay, so I'll add here rectangular logo, which will be a image, and we can have a square logo, which will also be an image. Now since we have created two options here, I'll go to modify attributes. I'll upload the rectangular logo and the square logo. Similarly, I'll upload for the dark theme as well. I've uploaded them. Let's go to the front end to show both the images. So firstly I'll get an option, logo, we can put light theme, and I'll mention as rectangular logo, stretch. Likewise I'll copy paste this one where we can select square logo. I'll keep this 100. This can be 3:1. So let's see how this looks like. This is too much stressed. Let me just make it as 3:2. And you can see that. Okay, now this is for the light theme, and let's say we want to toggle it, for which I can use some icon. So this is light theme. Top can be 20 here. This can also be, top can be 20. So when I click on this one, okay, we need to have a custom state. Dark theme, yes or no, and by default it is no. And when we click on this, we will make it as yes. So index dark theme is no. So what this does is basically, if dark theme is no, then it becomes yes, and if it is yes, that becomes no. And here what we will do is, if index dark theme is yes, then icon can be this one. Okay, it looks like this. Now similarly for the background, right, we can add a condition. Index dark theme is yes, background color can be dark, so it will be shown like this. So here also we can add the same condition, that is index dark theme is yes, then image source can be get an option logo dark theme. This is rectangular logo, while we can copy paste the same thing and we can tell this is square logo, right? So let's try this on the front end. So now this is light theme. I'll make this dark. So we have got the dark theme logo here. When I go to light theme logo comes, right? This can be used on multiple places within your app, and just in case if you decide to change your logos, you can do it in option set and it will reflect all the places wherever you are used it. And that's it. You have now understood how to use option sets in Bubble. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us on our social channel or email us at support@it7.com. We will create a short video tutorial explaining the same. If you haven't done yet, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more Bubble tips and tricks. I also got a question on option set. If we could use multiple option sets to be shown in the same drop down, that is, if we have a drop down, this can be made dynamic, but you will have to mention what is the type of choice. Okay, for example, I'll make access, which is the accesses for the users, okay, that we have here, which is admin, user, or owner. Now based on the condition, you want to change the type of choices. That is not possible. Every element in bubble can only be linked to one type of data, okay, and this also holds good for option set. But what we can do is we can add an option set, okay, where we can have option 1, option 2, option 3. Okay, this can be any name. You can create attribute where you say when should it be shown, okay, that is, you can say access and link it to access, the access that we have here, okay. And now I can link this one to user, the first 3 to the user, the second 3 to admin, let's say, and the last three to owner. And here, based on the user type chosen, we can display different options. That is, we'll make this as option set. We'll mention this as all option set filtered. Tell this option set's access is drop down A value. Drop down A is this one. I'll rename this as access. And drop down B is this one, which is basically options. So now, based on the value selected here, we will get the options available for that particular value. Let's try this out. So when I select this as admin, we'll get only option 4, 5, and 6. When I select this as user, we'll get option 1, 2, 3. When I select it as owner, we'll get 7, 8, and 9. This is how you can change the values of the drop down for different users based on the option or different data types selected elsewhere. And that's it. You have now understood how to use option sets in Bubble. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us on our social channel or email us at support@it7.com. We will create a short video tutorial explaining the same. If you haven't done yet, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more Bubble tips and tricks. Thank you.